Welcome back. Today we have a PlayStation 5 that we just got in. This is a PlayStation 5 Slim. We've done a few in the past. However, this is the first one that I've recorded, and they're recently or fairly new, so I decided to make a video about this. So we're going to get started. The PlayStation is disassembled. The board is basically the same, guys. Everything else is basically the same, just a smaller version. So we're going to get right to it and remove this HDMI. As you can see, the HDMI was dropped, as the customer stated. And now the pins on there are completely gone. So let's get right to it and remove it. So I have my setup here, like so here, and carefully we're going to trying to adjust the camera here. I think that's visible, that's fine. We are going to start by heating up the board like always. Temperature is 820 on the heat gun. I believe the HDMI, if I don't, you gotta go get it, but the HDMI should be the same as the other PlayStation, the PlayStation 5 regular. The HDMI is out. We'll heat it up a little more. Sorry for the camera, it wants to keep moving. Perfect. So we turn it over now, and we see that we have the exposed HDMI there. Okay, the holes in the solder. It's kind of blurry for some reason, but we're going to have to work with that. We're going to treat the area here with brand new solder. Again, this is a PlayStation 5 Slim. It's a little different than the other one, but basically the same. That looks pretty good. HDMI, we're going to grab the other HDMI. The HDMIs are the same, Slim and regular PlayStation 5. I'm going to start by heating this area here. That should be okay. However, it's just going to stay there for a little bit so we can flip it over. All right, I'd like to add a little bit of more flux here. And then come in with some heat. That looks perfect. You can leave this bridge like that. It's better support. Or you can leave them on bridge however you want. It's just ground, so it really doesn't matter. Let's see if the solder went through. If not, we can always turn it around. If you guys feel that maybe we need more solder here, or you guys need more solder here, we can always add more solder. Better reinforcement. And that is nice. That's perfect right there. Hopefully you guys can see in the picture. I know it's a little blurry. We're experimenting with some new cameras, and we haven't found what we're gonna keep. I think this is a nice one though, but we have to find exactly what we want. Anyhow, let's check the pins, make sure that they are soldered in place. They look very nice. Just to verify. Yep, looks pretty good. Now we clean the area, I put it back together and return it to the customer. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for the support. Visit us online, WAYAYEO, that's YIAO.org. I'm gonna clean this area now and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.